Good day, gardeners. It's October 15th. This is video 2 of my garlic bed preparation. Since I'm a one-handed gardener with the camera in my hand, I have to go ahead and just describe steps to you instead of film it. So I went ahead and I put the 3 bags of the mushroom compost. I only use 2 bags of leaf compost because now I got this built up pretty high. So I'll just save that bag for later if I need it to replenish areas that maybe the local fox dug out or anything like that. And now I'm just going to do my last step, and I'm going to wait until about November 25, 28 to plant my garlic in this bed. In zone 7A, I'm in Northern Virginia. I find that Chesauk Red, Purple Glazer are the varieties that work well for me. Music garlic will grow, but they don't get that large, so I do like the Chesauk Red and the Purple Glazer. This is how I keep my fertilizers. This is an all-purpose 10-10-10 nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. I'm just going to go ahead and grab a handful. And I keep the labels in here so I remember what they are. Just grab a handful. I used to freak out about fertilizing, and some of the YouTube garden mentors here in my channel I have posted below have taught me just to go ahead and spread it around. And I'm doing it early, so this is going to soak in and get into the bed here throughout the winter and feed the garlic as it goes through the winter. So that's an example. That's 10-10-10. And now I'm going to add this phosphorus bone meal because that's what bulbs need to grow. And I'm just going to do something like that. I used to measure this stuff by the quarter cup or the tablespoon. Scared I'm going to burn the plants, but I think what happens is, you're not, because it's going to dilute into the ground and you're not going to harm it. So that's it. I'm going to rake that in. I'm going to put some of the pine straw I have in the back there. I love pine straw as a compost because you can get about 2 seasons out of it. It'll break down, and I put it on many of the beds to keep the weeds low and all that. So it's one of my favorite things to use. And I also save all the leaves from my oak trees. So all that is going to become a mulch soon, and that will last me several seasons. So that's it. I hope you're getting your garlic beds ready, ordering your favorite bulbs. I use hard deck bulbs, not soft deck. I don't live in a zone for soft deck. And if you use a lot of garlic in your family, you're going to want to do this. There is nothing like your own. It is so much better than what you find in the store. Have a great day, and comment below, like and subscribe. It really helps. And happy planting.